Mauna Loa. Mauna Loa, the world's largest volcano, located on the south-central part of the island of Hawaii, Hawaii State, U.S., and a part of Hawaii Volcanoes National Park. One of the largest single mountain masses in the world, Mauna Loa, meaning Long Mountain in Hawaiian, rises to 13,677 feet, 4,169 meters, above sea level, and constitutes half of the island's area. Its dome is 75 miles, 120 kilometers, long and 64 miles, 103 kilometers, wide. Moku Wawio, its summit caldera, has an area of nearly 6 square miles, 15 square km, and a depth of 600 feet, 180 meters. Frequently snow-capped in winter, Mauna Loa is a shield volcano that has erupted some 36 times since its first well-documented eruption in 1843. Many of its eruptions are confined within Moku Wawio caldera. Others are lower flank eruptions along northeast or southwest fissure zones. During eruptions in 1935 and 1942, U.S. military planes dropped bombs in attempts that were partially successful to divert the path of lava flows that threatened the city of Hilo. In June 1950, a 23-day flow from a 13-mile, 21 kilometers, fissure in the southwest rift destroyed a small village. Substantial eruptions at the summit occurred in 1975, 1984, and 2022. Before moving forward, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for future interesting videos. Volcanic eruption. Volcanic eruption, an eruption of molten rock, hot rock fragments, and hot gases through a volcano, which is a vent in a planet's or satellite's crust. Volcanic eruptions can cause disastrous loss of life and property. They range from relatively gentle eruptions, as typically seen in Hawaiian volcanoes, to massively destructive ones, such as the eruption of Vesuvius that destroyed Pompeii in 79 CE. Volcanic eruptions have captured the imagination of people over millennia, and they feature in several mythologies as well as works of fiction. These eruptions also play a role in climate change, with expelled gases such as carbon dioxide contributing to global warming, while ash, dust, and gases such as sulfur dioxide can drive global temperatures down. Volcanic eruption of Mount St. Helens. The eruption of Mount St. Helens on May 18, 1980, as seen from Yale Lake in Washington. Watch the volcanic eruption of Mount St. Helens and subsequent flooding caused by melted glaciers. Watch the volcanic eruption of Mount St. Helens and subsequent flooding caused by melted glaciers in May 18, 1980. As geologists watched in awe, Mount St. Helens erupted with tremendous force. Volcanic eruptions occur as a result of heat moving under Earth's surface. They often begin with an accumulation of gas-rich magma, molten underground rock, in reservoirs near Earth's surface, though they may be preceded by emissions of steam and gas from small vents in the ground. Small earthquakes, which may be caused by a rising plug of dense viscous magma oscillating against a sheath of more permeable magma, may also signal volcanic eruptions, especially explosive ones. In more violent eruptions, the magma conduit is hollowed out by an explosive blast, and solid fragments are ejected in a great cloud of ash-laden gas that rises tens of thousands of meters into the air. An example of this phenomenon is the 1980 eruption of Mount St. Helens. Many explosive eruptions are accompanied by a pyroclastic flow, a fluidized mixture of hot gas and incandescent particles that sweeps down a volcano's flanks, incinerating everything in its path. If the expelled ash or gases collect on a high snowfield or glacier, they may melt large quantities of ice, and the result can be a disastrous flood or a landslide that rushes down a volcano's slopes. If you enjoyed from this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more content. Thanks for watching.